I ordered some new wiper blades for my Nexus WRAITH RV, and I found this company called Clix wipers online, and I'd ordered them for my Jeep Cherokee, and I was very impressed with them. They're very robust wipers, and they're very high quality, and I think I only spent like 30 bucks or 25 bucks for the pair. I've decided to go ahead and put them on my WRAITH. They were pretty easy to put on. I did go to Clix, and I was able to find a video on the installation. As a matter of fact, I have included it in the very last slide, the link for the video. But I mean, they went on really easy, and I was able to run them, and it really did work well. It looks like I have a broken windshield, but I don't. That's just a reflection. But anyway, I mean, I was impressed how smooth they were and how well they did wipe the windshield. So you might want to look into that if you need some wiper blades. I'm not getting any endorsement from this company at all. I just thought I would throw a video together and put it out there. It's Clix wipers. Just type that in, and you'll be good to go. And here in just a second, you'll see the website link. Have a great, blessed day.